Bullish yearn.finance cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $30,891.46 and $58,350.54 by 2030. Market examiners accept YFI could reach $24,026.69 by 2025. Bearish yearn.finance market cost expectation for 2023 is $5,491.82. Yearn.finance presentation. Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through computerization. It expects to rearrange the steadily extending DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the individuals who favor less committal associations than proficient dealers. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had hazardous development throughout the course of recent months as new products have showed up and engineers have delivered the YFI token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new YFI value expectations and endeavor to conjecture where the resources cost may be going from now on. What makes yearn.finance novel? Yearn.finance is an extraordinary stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance likewise has its local token, YFI, which is utilized to control the stage and give liquidity to clients. YFI tokens can be traded on different trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its emphasis on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to boost their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been staggeringly fruitful up to this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance interesting is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including shrewd agreements, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary unified monetary foundations. A key component that makes yearn.finance exceptional is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure compensations from taking part in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their expenses. Yearn.finance specialized investigation. The YFI cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. YFI is a decentralized money token that drives the yearn.finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to procure interest on their crypto resources. YFI is a local badge of the yearn.finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It likewise gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to partake in administration choices. The all-out supply of YFI is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could expand its worth over the long haul as request develops. The YFI's cost expectation framework depends on verifiable information, specialized, and key examination. Do your own exploration and don't take the YFI cost conjecture as monetary guidance. Yearn.finance current cost. There are a couple of key factors that are driving YFI's cost higher. To begin with, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a stylish, better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for YFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like YFI. As an ever-increasing number of clients rush to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the principal drivers of YFI's cost rally as of late. Yearn.finance is as of now worth $6,864.77 USD. YFI has moved 14.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $72,728,754. Yearn.finance is as of now positioned 113 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $264,289,917 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for yearn.finance to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Yearn.finance value expectation 2023. Yearn.finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The YFI cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $10,297.15. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9,610.68 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. YFI is supposed to have a base worth of $8,237.72. Yearn.finance value expectation 2024. In 2024, yearn.finance YFI cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of YFI will before long outperform $17,161.92. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the YFI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, YFI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13,729.54 and a typical exchanging cost of $15,102.49. Yearn.finance value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $24,026.69 and YFI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. YFI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $21,967.26 and a low of $20,594.31 in 2025. Yearn.finance value forecast 2026. In the event that yearn.finance effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the YFI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, YFI will be green in 2026. The YFI is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $30,891.46, with a base cost of $27,459.08 and a typical cost of $28,832.03. Yearn.finance value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the YFI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $35,696.80 by 2027, with a base cost of $34,323.85 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, YFI has a greatest value worth of $37,756.23. Yearn.finance value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $42,561.57. On the off chance that YFI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $44,621. Neglecting to accumulate the help YFI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $41,188.62. Yearn.finance value forecast 2029. While YFI is endeavoring